Hey all, it's Rafi. And today I'm playing a game here on Lead Chess against H. Hornung, rated 2275. Strong player, obviously. So here we have the Nimzo Indian, probably, after he plays bishop b4, which is what I'm expecting. D5 is also possible here. So against this Nimzo, I typically play. What do I play? That's a good question. If bishop g5, there's knight e4 type of stuff, but I think it doesn't work. I take the queen, he takes, and I can play stuff like queen d2. So I think I'm going to play... Bishop g5, bishop g5, c5 or d5 is probably coming my way. Can't think too hard on these kind of things. Let's just play it. Let's check out this guy real quick. Strong player for sure. Oh, he plays h6 right away. Could capture and play e3. Or I could play bishop h4. I'm just going to get rid of this guy. Ooh, interesting. He captures that first. Interesting stuff. He'll play c5 and try to break this up, probably. Or I'm sorry, yeah, he'll play c5 or d5 very soon. Could play e4 here as well. Just totally dominating as much of the center as I can. Having a strong center can't hurt. I mean, I don't want to fall too far behind in development, though. I don't know. Let's go ahead and just get this guy out first. And then we'll decide if we want to play the c4 or not. The reason I was kind of hesitating on e4 is I didn't want to move like queen g6, which hits e4 and keeps pressure on g2 to appear on the board. That would have been slightly annoying. Here I might consider fianchettoing the bishop as well. So he plays it this way. You know, I might actually fianchetto the bishop now that I think about it more and more. I've got a couple of strong pawns in the center. Yeah, I really like this idea of fianchettoing for some reason. I feel like this diagonal will be really strong for my bishop. Especially once queen b6 comes, or queen b3, rook b1, bishop here. I mean, this bishop is going to have a hard time to move. He could play bishop b6 and bishop b7 as well, by the way. Let's get this guy fianchettoed. Maybe e5 will come very soon here. It's probably preparing e5 now, anytime, or d5. I should probably put the rook here first to keep pressure on b7. That makes it tricky for him to develop this bishop to d7. And if he ever plays a move like b6, then this diagonal becomes really weak. But he can play bishop b, b6, bishop b7. But then again, I mean, I don't know. I kind of don't like the idea of black fianchettoing those kind of bishops. Like from the black perspective, I just don't know if it makes a whole lot of sense. FIDE 2063, Rapid 2275, Classical 2200, Blitz 2180. Mm. I like my position. I think I'm have a pretty healthy position here. Yeah, so he goes ahead and protects the b7 pawn. Thinking queen a4 or queen a4, bishop d7 is annoying. Maybe castling now is the best move. That's the idea. He wants to put pressure on c4. Queen d3 looks like a developing move that protects c4. He'll probably play b6 and bishop a6 though. I could play queen a4. Then he just has to go back. Or he could play b6 there too, couldn't he? But this is probably the most active way to develop my queen. Yeah, figured that was coming. Well, what to do here? Knight d2, bishop a6 keeps me kind of passive because my pieces are all tied down to protecting c4. I don't like that at all. Knight d2. What about c5 right now? D takes c5 is definitely in the cards. If c5, there's also bishop a6. Rook e1. D takes. D takes. C3 is falling. I don't like it. What is the most active move I can play here? That's what I'm trying to establish and understand here. Good afternoon, it's Rafi.